perfect time to read the benefits of this miraculous product. Coconut oil is a wonderful beauty treatment that will rehydrate and quench your body's natural moisture and even help in aiding digestion and boost metabolism. It is inexpensive yet extremely beneficial. Today's video will discuss 5 ways to get the best out of coconut oil in winter. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. It has been used for ages and is so versatile that it can be used for treating various issues from dryness and scalpy patches to hair conditioner and face cleanser. Number 1. Nasal ointment. Your nostrils are prone to dryness during the winter. Using a cotton ball to apply a small amount of coconut oil to the inside of each nostril for immediate hydration. Number 2. Makeup remover. Grab a cotton pad, apply a small amount of coconut oil and wipe away the dirt and grime from your face and neck. The oil will help restore moisture that it might be lacking. Number 3. Shaving cream. Coconut oil can help provide a hydrating and smooth shave and say goodbye to dry skin. Apply it to your skin in place of shaving cream for the ultimate moisturizing effect. Number 4. Skin rash cream. Coconut oil helps in restoring damaged skin when cold weather sets in. Apply a generous amount of coconut oil to a dry and irritated patches for quick moisturizing relief. You can add some glycerin for the best result. Number 5. Shovel lubricant. Removing wet, heavy snow from your driveway can be exhausting, especially if it clings to your shovel, quickly accumulating and amassing excess weight. To prevent snow from peeling off, apply a thin layer of coconut oil to your shovel prior to snow removal. Reapply once or twice a week as needed for smooth shoveling. Are you going to try coconut oil in winters? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.